Good evening, students. I am Sivakami Priya, Assistant Professor, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to talk about Agile development in software engineering. The first one is what is mean by Agile development. The Agile development, it is nothing but it is a software development, one kind of software development methodology. It will focus on the fast delivery of the particular product, then continuous improvement, then customer involvement, working in a small organization, manageable pods instead of delivering the whole software at the end. That is called Agile development. The next one is Agile software development. It is a software development methodology that values flexibility and collaboration software product and customer satisfaction. The particular customer satisfaction, I mean user expectation, the requirements we are using. That is called customer satisfaction. The next one is values. Agile is an interactive and iterative incremental software development approaches. The next one is it will focus on the customer collaboration over the contract negotiation. The third one is the respond to change the rather than the following rigid then delivers working software frequently. The next one is why Agile is used. What are the purpose we are using Agile methodology in the software product? In the software Agile methodology, it is used to because it will help the teams deliver the value quickly and flexibility and maintenance and continuously effort. So that purpose we are using the Agile methodology in the software product management. There are many phases in the software Agile methodology. The first one is Agile as a mindset. The next one is whenever we are asking the request to the particular product, now that is quick response to change the requirements, each and every requirements. Though, so that is called, so that purpose we are using Agile methodology. The third one is a regular demonstration, then cross-functional teams. The next slide is the Agile software development process. There are many kinds of phases in software development process. The first one is planning. Planning means it is nothing but what we are going to do the particular product. That is called what are the requirements we are using to do the successful product. So that is called the planning part. The next one is the development. What are the applications to you? What are the applications we are going to use the particular product for development purpose? That is called development. Testing means after the planning development, we will test the particular product whether it is any error or it is not. So that purpose we are using the many kinds of testings of that black box, white box, system testing. So that is called the testing part. So after the testing part, the maintenance will occur. The maintenance means nothing but it will automatically default method software updation, then security purpose. Every applications will update for each and every day. So that is called maintenance part. After these kinds of phases, planning, development, testing, maintenance. So after that, the deployment, it is a main one kind of phases. So deployment means these all the phases after that we can release the particular product to the customer. So that is called the deployment. So next one is requirements gathering. Requirements gathering, it is nothing but it is a gathering the information about the requirements. What are the requirements we are using? Example, model, designing part, coding part, planning, testing. These are called the requirements part. So we can gather the requirements part in particular product. So that is called the requirements gathering. So the three phases are there. The first one is gathering the requirements. So first one, uh, we will know about the customer satisfaction. I mean user expectation. What are the user expectations regarding the particular product? So first, we will collect the requirements from the customer. So after that, we can sort out the requirements. It is okay, it is not okay. So that is called sorting the requirements. After the gathering the requirements from the user or user, so sorting the requirements. After that, we can split up and priorities and the requirement. Which what are the requirements we can need and what are the requirements we won't. So we can prioritize the requirements. The next one is the planning. There are 5 levels of planning of agile methodology. The first one is what, who, why, when constraint assumption. That is called what means what we are going to do the particular product. So that is called what. Who means who are going to do the particular product requirements. Why na? Why? What is the reason we are doing the particular requirements, adding the product. So when means when we are going to do the adding the requirements. That is called what, who, why, when. So next one is a roadmap. A roadmap is nothing but it when we are going to release the particular product. That is the date, theme, designing, so objective development, everything. The complete will be a product roadmap. So next one is the planning. Planning means it is the size, estimate, definition, explanation, stories, use case, data flow diagrams. These are called the planning part. Sprint planning means sprint is it is nothing but it is a particular time duration that is called the sprint. Example, 1 week. For these requirements, we can need the 1 week of the time. So that is the duration part. It is called as sprint planning. Daily planning means daily we can go through the product regarding the requirements. What did I today? So what we are going to do this purpose? What is the designing part? So that is called daily planning. Okay, these are all called the agile planning methodology. Thank you, students.